We've got some fascinating news from the world of electric vehicles, and it's all about Tesla. You know, the company that's been revolutionizing the car industry with its sleek designs and cutting-edge technology. Tesla's been doing some seriously clever maneuvering lately. Elon Musk and his team have been working tirelessly to keep the company ahead of the curve, and their latest move is nothing short of genius. They've found a way to dance around those pesky import tariffs on Chinese batteries. These tariffs were a significant hurdle, threatening to increase costs and ultimately, the price of their vehicles. You see, bringing in complete battery packs from China was costing them a fortune. The import taxes were sky high, making it almost impractical to continue this practice. But Tesla, being the innovative company it is, came up with a brilliant workaround. Please feel free to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and reach a larger audience. Getting excited on how Tesla outsmarted tariffs to cut EV costs? Let's dive into it. So what did they do? They started importing the batteries as modules instead. By breaking down the battery packs into smaller components, they could significantly reduce the import duties. Think of it like building a Lego car. Instead of buying the whole thing pre-built, you get the bricks separately. This way, you can assemble it yourself, piece by piece, and save a lot of money in the process. This little trick means Tesla can assemble the battery packs in the USA. By doing so, they not only save on import taxes but also create jobs and boost the local economy. And guess what? That means they avoid those hefty import taxes. It's a win-win situation for Tesla and its customers, who can enjoy lower prices on their favorite electric vehicles. Clever, eh? It's like sneaking a bottle of scotch past customs in a suitcase full of dirty laundry. It's a smart move that shows just how resourceful Tesla can be when faced with challenges. You've got to admire the ingenuity. Tesla's ability to adapt and innovate is what sets them apart in the automotive industry. It's this kind of forward thinking that keeps them at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. So next time you see a Tesla on the road, remember the clever strategies and hard work that go into making it a reality. So what's all the fuss about these batteries anyway? You might have heard the term LFP batteries being thrown around a lot lately, especially in discussions about electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. But what exactly are they, and why are they becoming so popular? Well, they're called LFP batteries, which stands for lithium iron phosphate. This type of battery is known for its stability and safety, which makes it an attractive option for various applications. Unlike other lithium-ion batteries, LFP batteries are less prone to overheating and catching fire, which is a significant advantage. Don't worry, there won't be a test later. But it's good to know that these batteries are designed to be safer and more stable, giving you peace of mind whether you're driving an electric car or using them in your home energy storage system. Now these LFP batteries are like the sturdy workhorse of the battery world. They might not have the highest energy density, meaning they can't store as much energy as some other types of batteries, but they make up for it with their durability and long life cycles. In other words, they can be charged and discharged many more times than other batteries before they start to degrade. They might not be the flashiest or have the longest range, but they're incredibly reliable and most importantly, cheap as chips. This cost-effectiveness is a big reason why they're gaining traction, especially in markets where affordability is a key concern. That's why Tesla's been putting them in their more affordable models, like the Model 3 and Model Y. By using LFP batteries, Tesla can offer these cars at a lower price point, making electric vehicles more accessible to a broader audience. It's a strategic move that aligns with their mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It's all about giving the people what they want, electric cars that don't cost the earth, literally. With the growing concern over climate change and the need to reduce carbon emissions, more and more people are looking for affordable ways to go green. LFP batteries help make that possible by lowering the overall cost of electric vehicles. And let's be honest, for most people's daily commutes, they do the job just fine. Whether you're driving to work, running errands, or taking the kids to school, an electric car with an LFP battery can meet your needs without breaking the bank. So, while they might not be the most glamorous option out there, LFP batteries are proving to be a practical and economical choice for many. Right, here's the deal. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, has been facing some significant challenges lately. And no, it's not just about production delays or software glitches. It's something much bigger and more complex. America and China haven't been getting along so well in the Trade Department. The trade war between these two superpowers has been escalating for years, with each side imposing tariffs and restrictions on the other's goods. It's like a playground spat, but with billions of dollars at stake. Imagine two kids fighting over a toy, but instead of a toy, it's entire industries and economies on the line. And one of the casualties of this trade war has been those hefty import tariffs on Chinese goods, including, you guessed it, EV batteries. These tariffs have made it increasingly expensive for companies like Tesla to source essential components from China. This was a real pain in the backside for Tesla. The company has been heavily reliant on Chinese-made batteries to keep their production costs low and their vehicles affordable. They were caught between a rock and a hard place. On one hand, they needed to maintain competitive pricing to attract customers. On the other hand, the tariffs were driving up their costs, squeezing their profit margins. They wanted to keep prices down by using Chinese batteries, but those tariffs were eating into their profits. This created a significant dilemma for Tesla's management team, who had to find a way to balance cost and quality without compromising on either. It was like trying to outrun a cheetah while carrying a refrigerator on your back. Not ideal. The company had to innovate and adapt quickly to navigate these turbulent waters, exploring alternative suppliers, and even considering local production options to mitigate the impact of the tariffs. Tesla's leadership, including Elon Musk, has been working tirelessly to address these challenges. They've been investing in new technologies and forging new partnerships to ensure a steady supply of batteries without the added cost burden. One of the strategies they've employed is ramping up production at their gigafactories, which are designed to produce batteries at scale. By increasing their in-house production capabilities, Tesla aims to reduce their dependency on imported components and shield themselves from geopolitical tensions. Despite these hurdles, Tesla remains committed to its mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. The road ahead may be fraught with challenges, but with innovation and resilience, Tesla is determined to stay the course and continue leading the electric vehicle revolution. Enter Tesla's master plan, importing battery modules instead of complete packs. Genius, if you ask me. See, by bringing in the battery modules, which are smaller and easier to ship, they could play the system. They set up assembly lines in the USA to put those modules together into battery packs. This meant they could technically say the batteries were made in America, or at least assembled there. And just like that, they sidestepped those crippling tariffs. It was like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat, except the rabbit was a cost-effective electric car battery. Now, this move wasn't just about saving a few quid on taxes, it was also a shrewd business decision. By assembling batteries in the US, Tesla created jobs and boosted the local economy. It's a win-win situation, really. Americans get jobs, and Tesla gets to avoid those pesky tariffs. Plus, assembling the batteries closer to their gigafactories where the cars are made also streamlined the whole manufacturing process. It's like having your tea bags and kettle in the same cupboard. Makes life so much easier. But hold your horses, folks, because Tesla's not stopping there. They're already looking beyond lithium-ion batteries. Rumor has it they're working on something called million-mile batteries. Can you imagine? A battery that lasts 1,000,000 miles. That's like driving around the world 40 times without ever having to charge your car. Now that's what I call progress. Of course, this is all speculation for now, but knowing Elon Musk and his team of maverick engineers, I wouldn't bet against it. Now some might say that China has the upper hand in the EV game. After all, they've got the biggest battery manufacturers and a seemingly endless supply of raw materials. But I wouldn't count America out just yet. With companies like Tesla leading the charge, and a government that's starting to take electric vehicles seriously, the US is well positioned to become a major player in the electric revolution. It's going to be a fascinating race to the finish line, that's for sure. So buckle up, because the electric car revolution is here to stay. And with Tesla at the forefront, it's shaping up to be a wild ride. They've shown that electric cars can be stylish, practical, and affordable, and with their relentless pursuit of innovation, they're sure to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future of motoring is electric, and frankly, I can't wait to see what Tesla comes up with next.